I have been taught that it's important to ask the elder who is present and residing over the program to give a response. So, Herman Yellow Old Woman, would you be able to come up and? I have some tobacco to offer to elder overseeing the program. Offer you tobacco and ask that if you would give us your response to what this program means to you.
I'd like to say some words in my language, although most of you in here will not understand. But as a Sixikako, my knowledge comes from my people. Git connection with some one katakwe. Noka, the Jixkochtini takemo. Zitabim. Nox machkais. Naxen ich katoch san hamo. Udapu takswa. Askenimat ktomia moka. Asokilaki. Iskucheka ki. Nachsen lanix. Kipitaki. Umachkinex. Ich denk po ja. Anna kiskuchteka ki. Awa dose. Ashokinaki. Aikinami xanani tenskataya. Nachsix tsipa. Nokate ikinami. Keshukania idaps kunadaps. Kennoka man niewamoka nabis knimats kataksin. Idabats kunadaps. Agat skitsitoma kaki nukusinanix, nissukusinanix, autosklimatsex, anmanistatus, anmanistskonatapsa, iskuhtak agatsitutuisapskonatapsi, nabyapi. My ancestors gave us this way of life, as you heard, is the oral transfer of knowledge from their ancestors, their grandmas, their grandfathers, were medicine people. They were healers. They were people that were giving power of healing through vision quests. The Indian or the English language call it vision quests. And to us, it's language is to search for that spiritual assistance that connects us to the power above and the universe that we come from. We share this land with animals, insects. We breathe the air the way they do. They benefit from Mother Earth through the different plants that grow, and they drink from the different waters that flow, waters that come down from the mountains, the waters that are created through rain. And there was much power and medicine in that, and there still is today. And when my relative asked me to name this program, that was the first thing that came to my mind. I started thinking about what my ancestors said. How powerful that way of life. It still exists, as I say. Many of our people put it away. But it's still there. We still breathe the same breath. We still see the changes that come over the mountains onto the prairies. We still see and we still benefit from the animal creation. Today is a different world. Our young people are different. The sicknesses that we have, that we face today, are not sicknesses our ancestors had, because of the different poison that we benefit, the way we eat, the way we drink, and what we breathe is different. So today, when she told me to give that name, I wanted to go back and say, that way of life was not in vain. It is still in existence. And my children, my grandchildren are going to benefit from this name, because there's so much knowledge in our language, in our legends, in our songs. You heard my brothers here sing a song that goes way back. You've seen the pictures of her family lodges. They all still own them. Within those lodges are medicines. There was laws that we follow. And the biggest thing in our culture is respect. We respect the environment. We respect each other. The biggest thing in our culture is to respect ourselves. Without that, we cease to follow these ways in return that hurt us. So today, as we look towards a better future, we need to take some of those stuff that our ancestors gave us, to practice those ways, to make us better. Equally, you heard my sister talk about the equal knowledge that she talked about. And today we share that. We will never understand why some things are the way they are. I will never understand your culture completely. You will never understand mine, just the surface. But together we can share and benefit from those knowledges that we share. And so I just wanted to share a little bit about that word. Aikinami is the spirit that guides us to today. And it still exists because nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. The only difference is we're sharing different cultures. I use the word culture because you and I know our culture changes over time. And this is part of the changes. And as I was in here earlier, I was told to say a blessing. Those are the words that I ask the Creator that we understand and to respect. And walk away from here tonight with a more understanding of who we are. You, as Canadians, us, as Siksikaikoiks, will be stronger, will be able to respect a lot better with that understanding. Thank you. I guess just to add on to close my speech here, our people in medicine, we have songs, we have dances. That is our connection to the spirit world, the spirit beings that she's asked us to bless this name. And there are many songs. My brother-in-law over here, I know, was preparing a song to be sung. Those are part of that. And always look to